Today I'm going to teach you guys how to spray paint the ceiling. This video is going to have absolutely zero cuts, so you'll see the entire process from start to finish. So I'm using a Greco Paint Sprayer. I have it cranked all the way up. Also, the tip that I'm using here is a 515 tip. It's about a 10-inch tip. I don't like to use the 619, I believe, because it's a little too wide and it becomes a big mess. Also, what you'll see me do is basically spray paint everything first, and then I have an 18-inch roller right here that's already saturated with paint, and I'm gonna roll everything out. So the first thing you go and do is go around the perimeter and make sure that you're kind of get the perimeter done first, and then we're gonna start working on the middle. So let's get the perimeter done. Make sure you're wearing a mask, some type of respirator, just because this stuff is kind of nasty to breathe. So also something that I've noticed is always start at the door or a window or something, because you'll see how easy it's going to be for us to see our spray versus starting somewhere here and working towards it. So you always start at the light source. If you're working in a room where there is no light source, put a light in one corner. Don't put it in the whole room, just one corner, and it's going to work way better. So let's kind of start here and then spray it. So here I'm kind of angling more towards the ceiling, not really into the wall. So you see that I'm kind of going over it twice. One way, the other way. Now I'm going to go this way. Same thing, I'm kind of almost starting on the door. You don't want to start on the wall. So I'm starting like on the door and then moving. Always keep moving with the sprayer. Don't ever hold in one spot because it's going to start dripping. Then do this side, and see, I'm going to start moving and then I'll press. There we go, and then we're just going to get this side done right here. Just like that. Alright, now I'm going to start at this end and then just work back and forth right here. You want to make sure that you're giving time. Don't move too fast because we are going to back roll all of this with the roller. Give it time to stick. Don't move too fast. Just kind of follow my speed here. See how easy it is to see it when we start at the light? It's very, very easy to see, and we're overlapping that by about 50% overlap. There we go, I love it. So right now, I just kind of want to show you my paint sprayer. So I do want to give it, because this is our second coat, before I start back rolling it, I want to give it a second just to kind of dry just a little bit, because if I start putting this on the wall right away, I've noticed that it starts to smush around first. If you're going over primer, the primer sucks it in right away, so do start rolling right after. But for us, because it's the second coat, we're gonna wait just a minute. So I wanna show you my spraying setup. So what I have here, it's just this Greco sprayer that I have. It's the Magnum sprayer that I got from Lowe's. And then we are using this Benjamin Moore ceiling paint. This is probably the best ceiling paint that you could use. It is a little pricey, but it's the best. So that's, you kind of get what you pay for. So that's our paint sprayer. We don't have the really expensive one, but this does the job nice. The big thing is making sure that you're kind of cleaning everything out right after you're spraying. This way, everything is spraying and you never get any clogs. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and then roll everything out here. And I'm gonna start it the same way that I was doing before. I'm gonna start it at the light source and kind of just work it this way. So I do have my 18-inch roller here. And again, all we're trying to do right now is basically give it texture. And you will see how that changes. And this is very important. The reason for back rolling, right now it's kind of hard because I'm up against the wall here. But the reason for back rolling is that it gives your paint a little bit of texture, first of all, and I do think it looks way nicer. Also, it evens everything out way better, and it kind of smushes the paint into the drywall, and it makes a better bond with it, in my opinion. Also, all the pros are telling me that that's what you're supposed to do, so that's what we're doing. Just like that, and literally this entire room is taking us, well, less than 10 minutes to do, and it doesn't take much skill. And on our channel, we're trying to figure out how to do things in the most systematic way possible with as little skill as possible. So here I'm just gonna kind of feather that out. Once this dries, this is going to look so nice. The big thing is you want to make sure that you're using flat, ultra flat ceiling paint. It's kind of hard to mess it up. Just like that. Once this dries up, I think it's going to look so nice. So again, we have our paint sprayer. Make sure that you're putting on a decent amount of that paint. And then we have an 18-inch roller. What's nice with the 18-inch roller is putting pressure on the roller from both sides. So you don't have kind of that like one line that keeps tracking behind. So for us, we were able to do the ceilings in this entire house, 2 coats in about 3 to 4 hours, 1 person, which is kind of crazy. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys do want to look at that Greco paint sprayer, it should be in the products link down below, and go build some. What did I say?